Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I'm going to show you some country style cottage home decor ideas. Let's take a look. Country cottage decor blends comfort, simplicity, and natural beauty. It feels warm and welcoming with vintage touches, soft colors, and handmade details. Think a relaxed home where everything feels personal and inviting. Here are some practical, easy to use tips to make your home feel warm, charming, and cozy without overdoing it. Add natural wood and rustic texture. Choose distressed or light stained wood. Add oven baskets for storage. Use wooden trays on coffee tables. Open wooden shelving in the kitchen. Natural textures make the space feel authentic and warm. Use florals but keep them soft. Floral curtains or cushions. Vintage style floral bedding. A small scale floral wallpaper on accent wall. Make storage pretty. Store blankets in baskets. Use clusters for pantry items. Style open shelves with dishes and small plants. Use trays to organize coffee tables. Focus on warm lighting. Choose warm light bulbs. Add table lamps with fabric shades. Use candles for soft evening glow. Avoid very bright white lighting. It feels too modern. Layer cozy textiles. Add knitted or crochet cushions. Use quilts or soft draws. Try slip covers for a relaxed look. Add personal vintage touches. Display old books. Add antique style clocks or mirrors. Include hand-pinned items like crochet, DIY art. This is what gives true cottage charm. Keep window treatments light and airy. Just sheer white or linen curtains. Try soft floral romance shades. Let natural light be the main feature. Heavy, dark curtains can make cottage style feel heavy. Don't match everything. Country cottage style looks best when it feels collected over time. Mix dining chairs. Combine painted and wooden furniture. Use different but coordinating cushions. Perfect matching sets feel too modern. Create small cozy corners. Add a soft armchair, a small side table, a lamp, and a throw blanket. Even a small corner can become a charming reading spot. Use mirrors to reflect warmth. Choose vintage style or distressed frames. Hang mirrors opposite windows to reflect light. Layer small mirrors with wall art. They make rooms feel brighter and bigger. Decorate with seasonal simplicity. Instead of heavy seasonal decor, spring, fresh flowers, floral cushions. Summer, light cotton truss. Autumn, oven baskets, soft brown tones. Winter, chunky knits, candles. Cottage style is gentle and subtle, not flashy. Keep it cozy, not cluttered. This is very important. Group decor in odd numbers, like 3 or 5 items. Leave breathing space on shelves. Rotate decorations seasonally. Country cottage is relaxed but still organized. Style your kitchen like a cottage. Display pretty dishes on open shelves. Use wooden cutting boards as decor. Hang teacups and mugs. Keep a small vase or flowers near the sink. Even simple touches make it feel charming. Use natural and vintage-inspired accessories. Display animal pictures or ceramic jugs. Add dried flowers or fresh garden blooms. Use wooden trays to group decor. Place open baskets in corners. These small details create authentic cottage warmth. Add time-worn charm. Country cottage style loves pieces that feel lived in. Slightly distressed furniture, vintage style wall clocks, weathered wood consoles. It shouldn't feel shiny and brand new everywhere. Decorate shelves like a stylist. Stack books horizontally and vertically. Add small plants between items. Use defined heights. Leave some empty space. Think collected over time, not crowded. Cottage dining area touches. Wooden farmhouse style table. Mismatched chairs. Linen table runner. Fresh flowers as a centerpiece. Simple, warm, and welcoming. Create a collected overtime look. Mix old finds with newer pieces. Display meaningful items, not random decor. Layer books, trays, candles, and small vases. Avoid buying everything at once. Soften hard surfaces. Cottage homes should feel soft, not sharp. Layer rugs, a neutral base, plus a smaller pattern rug. Add curtains even in kitchens. Use fabric seat cushions on wooden chairs. Place runners in hallways. Softness makes everything feel welcoming. Decorate with real or wax flowers often. Small flower chairs on shelves. Dried lavender in bundles. Wildflowers in simple vases. a floral arrangement near the sink. Use height and layers in decor. Lend frames instead of always hanging them. Layer small art pictures in front of larger ones. Mix mirrors with artwork. Use decor of different heights. This creates visual depth and warmth. Keep evenings magical. Country cottage style truly shines at night. Turn off harsh ceiling lights. Use table lamps in corners. Add candles on trays. Choose warm bulbs, not cool white. Lighting can completely transform the atmosphere. Add subtle rustic kitchen touches. Lean wooden cutting boards against backsplash. Hang vintage style mugs. Use glass jars for pantry items. Display pretty dishes on open shelves. Bring in rustic greenery, small potted plants on windowsills or shelves, fresh herbs in the kitchen, thyme or rosemary, hanging plants in corners for vertical interest. Mix real and high quality fox greenery if needed. Plants add life, softness, and natural cottage feel. Use oven and natural materials. Oven baskets for blankets, toys, or magazines. Jute or sisal rugs for texture. Wicker or rattan chairs and trays. Natural fiber lampshades. These elements bring warmth and tactile interest. Accent with subtle pastels. Throw pillows in soft pinks, blues, or greens. Pastel vases or kitchenware. Gentle floral patterns for a vintage feel. Pastels add color without overwhelming the soft cottage vibe. Mix vintage and modern thoughtfully. Pair a modern sofa with a vintage coffee table. Add a contemporary lamp to an antique desk. Combine clean lines with weathered wood. The balance makes the home feel curated yet cozy. Thanks for watching the video.